Let's talk Korean skincare. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button please, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. So Stylevana sent me a box and they sent me 2 different skincare kits. We are going to do an unboxing of them and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. I'm really excited to add these to my skincare routine because I've started focusing on different things like niacinamide and squalene, just some things that I didn't have in my skincare routine before, so I'm really grateful to be able to try these out. I also have a code. I will put it somewhere in here. I will link all of the information below as well. So in the first kit, we have this one. It's pink and white box, nice packaging. It says Clear Skin Set. It's a Beauty of Joseon, Joseon, don't know if I'm saying that right, Stylevana collab. This is a exclusive set. Okay, this is what the set looks like when you take it out of the box. So right here we have the glow serum. What I really like about that is it does have niacinamide in it, which is something that I have recently learned about within the past few weeks when I purchased another skincare set at Ulta. But this does have niacinamide. It also has propolis, which I've done a little bit of research on that, and I believe that is something that they take from beehives after the bees are done making the honey. Has something to do with bees, but it's supposed to be very calming for your skin, reduce inflammation and redness. So the propolis in this is also really good because it helps rejuvenate the skin and keep you looking younger. But then with the niacinamide, you also have some really good benefits like the propolis, and I could be saying the word completely wrong, so don't judge me there. It reduces redness. This also will shrink your pores, give you a smoother look, firms your skin. Coco's doing swatches. It firms your skin. Just in general, niacinamide is something that I've started adding into my skincare routine, so I'm really glad to have this that also has the other ingredients in there. It doesn't have a smell. It does feel very lightweight, so I do like that also. And with that, all you do is put some on your face and pat it in, so it'll help your skin absorb that. And then the next thing we have here is going to be the calming serum. And it's gonna come, so this one has like a little bit of a green tint. This one kind of has a yellow tint to it. I think the thing about this is it has green tea in it, so maybe that's why they went for a green type of shade. And then this one yellow because of like the honey, propolis, whatever. But green tea is actually also really good for your skin for inflammation, redness. You'll find a lot of calming treatments that have green tea in them as far as skincare. This also has panthenol in it, which again is another anti-inflammatory type of ingredient. So I feel like all of this whole kit is going to be a calming kit. It's going to be good for people who have redness, which I have said a number of times before. I am starting to get redness in this area here, so I am glad that I got a calming kit because I definitely could use that. Then we have this. It is a bubble toner, green plums and AHA. You just apply this after you've washed your face. Thank you. So it'll come out like this. You can put it on a cotton pad or you can just rub it in yourself if you want. Uh-oh. It has a slight scent to it, but I can't put my finger on it. I've never used a bubble toner, so I'm excited to try this one out. All the ones I've used are, your basic liquid toners, so I'm intrigued to see what that does. So after looking it up, it does say that this is enriched with 25% green plum water and 3% glycolic acid, AHA. Gently removes dead skin cells and impurities inside pores. Definitely could use that with rich micro bubbles. It also has rice bran water and honey extracts, so it leaves the skin very hydrated and gives you a more brightening effect. Honestly, pretty excited to try that. And then we have some little sample packs here. These are Dynasty creams. It's moisturizing and nourishing cream, provides a healthy glow. So you have a bunch of little individual packs that you can use. All in all, I'm excited to get this. Recently, I went to Ulta and I bought a skincare set, and I love the idea of the sets. For people like me who don't really know that much or are just trying to learn what all of the different serums and things are, I feel like sets are really good for people like me because it tells you use this, use this, use this, use this. So I am super thank you Stylevana for this one because this may be my happiest moment with y'all so far, honestly. Okay, let's get into the next box, which I think I've become a skincare set fan. The packaging is super cute in this one. You've got some little pink tissue paper. Everything is nicely packaged in here. Just I like the gradient look of all of it. Let's go over it really fast. Okay, so the first thing I think you would use in this set is the Black Rice Moisture 5.5 Soft Cleansing Gel, unscented. I like the gradient look here. Really like how classy the packaging looks in these. I'm not gonna lie, I like this sleek gradient thing they have going on. I have heard amazing things about rice water, black rice water, type of agents inside skincare. I don't know why rice is so amazing. I actually make rice regularly because we're Filipino, so we eat rice all the time. And I've thought about when I clean the rice out to save the water and like just splash it on my face. I don't know why. Coco, you like rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, Coco actually loves rice. It is unscented. I expected to still smell something. I'm surprised. It's definitely unscented. Okay. Which I prefer. Oh, so it's like a gel. It does have like a gel type of... Oh, it's just soap. It's just soap. Mama's going to wipe it off. I prefer my products to be unscented. Just, I don't know, I feel like when it has a scent, or especially like a floral scent, you've added extra things in there that I probably don't want on my skin, honestly. The next thing you're gonna use is the Black Rice Hydronic Toner. I'm gonna assume that this has that gradient effect. Yep, similar packaging. I love that. I love that it's all gonna look the same together. This is just a hydronic toner, but it also includes the black rice in it. It just says, after washing the face, put this on a cotton pad, apply it evenly. But what I actually like to do with my toners is, let me find it. I get these, I order them on Amazon. I will link it below. I have this, and then I have a clear one that's white on the top, and it just, you see how it just missed? This is just a beauty water in here, but I have them for beauty waters and for my toners. I feel like it's just a good way to actually save the product, not have to buy cotton rounds. It's just, all in all, I feel like this just works better for me. Then you have this Black Rice Hydronic Anti-Wrinkle Serum. Love the packaging. I had to give y'all a close-up because I like this packaging. It's so unique to me. It has a sticker thing so it doesn't open on you. This can be used after your cleanser and your toner, and it says shake it thoroughly before use. Apply a small amount to the skin and lightly pat to absorb fully. Best to follow with an essence or a cream. I have gotten into essences recently. Well, I have one. So I'm really trying to dive into skincare and like not stray away from makeup, but really put a little bit more focus on the foundation. Because if the foundation doesn't look good, then the rest of it's not going to look good, which is the makeup, you know what I'm saying? So it just twists off. Yeah, it twists off. I shook it really well. Well, it's got, like, yeah, really well. Really well. It's white. It has white. But it rubs in clear. Yes, it has. What is happening with you, girl? Rubs in clear, so that's nice. It does have a scent to it. Smell? I don't know what the smell is. You smell that? It's not a bad smell, but it does have a scent to it. You also get this little mini toner here. I wonder if this is the same thing. This is Black Rice Hydronic Toner. Okay, so you get a full size and a mini size, I guess. I don't know why you get a mini size, but maybe if you're traveling, that's actually a good idea. That's actually a really good idea. Huh, I kind of like that. You know what? I think we're going to save this. I'm not going to open this. We'll save this for a giveaway so one of you can try it out. Maybe you'll love it. Anyway, the next thing we have here is the Black Bamboo Mist. Ultra Deep Technology. I freaking love... That's the lipstick of the day. It is NARS Catfight, I believe. This is what that one looks like here. I'll link the lipstick and the makeup below, but I am loving the freaking gradient look here. It just says apply this evenly all over your face and neck, gently tap and press for full absorption. Oh, it's got a thing. It's got a tapey thing there, so yeah, I can't just pull it off.
Okay.
That's nice. Let's see how the mister. I'm not mad at this mister. A lot of misters I don't like, which is why I use these. Like, this is cheap from TJ Maxx. I hate the mister on it. Saying mister sounds weird. Anyway, I'm not mad at this. I'm glad I got that. Definitely going to try it out. And then the last thing we have here is the Black Rice facial oil. Y'all, I've been collecting some little droppers. I have started buying not buying so many things, but just, I kind of have been buying so many things, y'all. This is the last step of the morning or evening skincare routine. Rub 2 to 3 dots of the oil in the palm of your hands and gently spread it out accordingly to the skin texture, and then press gently to absorb. Mixing the natural creams and essence, so I guess you would use your essence and then use this. I only have one essence, so I can't compare it to others, and I'm not overly familiar with them, but I've just started adding that into my routine to help these type of products that I have absorb better into the skin. Anyway, this is just supposed to be moisturizing and very soothing for your skin, which I try to, in my skincare routine at night, do different things. So not a retinol every night. Some nights I have moisturizers or like a heavy moisturizing serum or mask that I'll go to sleep with. Others, it is a glow type of thing. So these two sets combined, I feel like I have pretty much everything that I need. So I'm super happy to Stylevana for giving me the opportunity to do this unboxing, to be able to try these products. You can follow my Instagram. I will let y'all know in my stories, keep you updated on how I like these products, whether or not I would fully recommend them. If there's some things where I would say maybe this is great, this is not as great, I'll let you know in my stories and how everything is working out for me. Like I said, I will link all of Stylevana's information, the promo codes and all of that below. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!